Hi there, this is Bridget from the PlannerSpeechie. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be planning for the week of January 29th through February 4th in my 2023-2024 Sadie Stickers vertical planner. I'm going to be using this kit from Charlotte's Paper Company called Baby It's Cold Outside. It is foiled in rose gold and it is super cute. I thought this was a perfect transition from January to February where we can do all the lovey-dovey stuff for Valentine's Day. So yeah, I thought this would be really cute. So this kit comes with 4 pages. This looks very similar for those of you who've been following my plan with me for the previous weeks. It's the exact same format. I just thought these were really, really cute. I love the dark blue with the rose gold. I think it just looks so pretty. And then we've got some more neutrals. A lot of winters are like neutral colors, which is kind of neat and nice after, you know, all of the hubbub of the holidays. I'm also going to be adding in, I have this really cute washi overlay from Sadie Stickers. I'm going to use these date dots, which look really, really cute. This is my old heart bubble deco, and I'm so sad that she's not making this anymore. Her new one doesn't look anything like this, and it's not as functional in my opinion. I thought these were really, really cute. And then I just have some rose gold mini tree slices that I thought would look cute. This kit does come with foiled headers, so I might not actually use these. After all, I thought about layering them like on top of maybe the maybe those, but because this has the double stripe, I'm actually thinking maybe I'll just save these for another day, even though they do match this, but I don't know. I still think they would look cute. And actually, now that I'm looking at this is the thick washi, and it would go over the top. So it would have to dip in and out. You know what? I'm going to save this for another. Never mind. We're just going to save that for another time. And that's all good. But I am still going to use the date dot covers. This was like back in the day when she was doing like all the bundled extras, but these are all the Valentine Hearts little Foil Tuesday bundles that came together. These are so pretty. So I'm going to be maybe incorporating some of this stuff in here just to give it a little extra sparkle. But yeah, I do think these are really cute. All right, so I'm just going to get started and fill in the base and maybe learn how to put these things back. Maybe not. Oh, so close. All right, sorry. Anyway, I'm going to speed things up and come back in a voiceover. All right, so digging into this, I had a lot of fun setting up this week. I thought that the rose gold matched beautifully with like the denim blue. And I had a lot of fun just using the different parts of these kits, the stickers and everything. So it looks really cute. This was kind of a wild week. There's a lot going on in this week, and it started with me really sort of supervising my graduate student for the first full week. And then just a series of crazy events, one right after the other. But I don't know, I had a good time setting everything up. So these kits always come with two washi strips, and they don't fully match. Sorry, the top part got a little cut off. They don't fully match the bottom, but I'm able to kind of shift and make it work, and this was really good. everything worked out. So I'm using tweezers to just make sure that the date covers are centered, and then I decided to use the quote box with the beige, baby it's cold outside. I can't actually remember if it was really cold. North Carolina winters are weird because the first year we moved here, we had snow, which I didn't think was really bad snow, but everyone seemed to think it was like catastrophic. And then for the next couple of years, we've had decreasing amounts of snow. We actually haven't had a single snow day once in 2024. So we've had bad wind days where if the wind gusts go up a certain amount, they can't send out the school buses. So school is actually canceled. One of the storms knocked out our power, and so we were unable to have like a normal week. But anyway, that wasn't really a huge deal. It was more just like annoying. And then I decided to switch up the headers this week. So it came with these denim blues, which is funny. It sort of looks like a continuation of that full box. And I just varied up the bottom two and kept the top one consistent because it kind of matched the top of the bottom washi there. So that's a very tiny washi strip that says this week. And it's so, I mean, it's so small and I really don't know who can see that, but so I was tracking and I just used the little notes box to put something later for journaling. And then I decided to use the full checklist box on Thursday. Thursdays are usually a pretty busy day because I'm trying to make up for work things that just keep rolling over, but I want to finish them before Friday. So, and then I'm just using the priority flags for each day of the week. And then I'm just putting flags down in places where I know something is going to happen. And just using to do, and I think the only one left was, I don't know, I never ended up using it. So here it is. Here I'm explaining everything, all of the different days, and I was just setting it up for the week ahead. So you're gonna see my manicures change several times because basically I set up the base 2 weeks in advance. So that by the end of the next week, I'm ready to start setting up for the beginning of the following week, and that has worked well so far this year. On Monday, I'm just writing in that I had progress reports, session prep, and session notes, and for speech therapy, Bubble, just supervising my new graduate student. I just marked that I had therapy at 4 o'clock on the 29th, and I ended up I had a doctor's appointment at 7 a.m. I was going to do a coffee run on Tuesday morning. And at this point, I'm still waiting for those bullet journal stickers that I ordered. So they were due to come on Wednesday. I used a Jessica Hart sticker for meetings to mark that I had a teletherapy meeting or telemeeting at 3 o'clock. And then I knew I was going to Zoom with my friend. We traditionally have been watching Disney Plus, but we've actually switched to some new stuff, watching just movies or things on Netflix. So I've been marking those as well. The quarter ended the previous week, so I'm still finishing up those progress reports. For my cleaning tracker this week, I decided I wanted to do bathroom, bedroom, living room, kitchen, tidying up, laundry, and resting. This is let's see, the following week, um, we have 2 weeks before friends are going to come visit, and so I was trying to capitalize on my weekend plans to clean and clean and clean. Because let's face it, we don't really clean our houses unless we know people are going to see them. Um, I knew I had an IEP meeting on Wednesday afternoon or Wednesday morning, but I just put that in. For some reason, I put that on the bottom. I'm not sure why. But I used some really cute Play-Doh stickers from, oh my gosh, I'm forgetting the name. It's a really, really cute shop. It'll come to me. It will be in the comments also, or the description. Man, I'm having a tough time. um, so on Sunday, I've been sort of renewing my manicures consistently, and that's been really helpful too. Just a little self-care thing. I knew I was going to have progress reports and other things. So I had all these really pretty rose gold sort of heart deco that I wanted to use this week and just to fill some spaces, give it a little extra foil. And I had a lot of stuff at the bottom to fill in, so I ended up using a lot of different stickers there. Um, but yeah, ended up just holding on to those, and these are my favorites. I'm going to be so sad when I run out of those, but I'm not hoarding them. I'm using them because we use our stickers, right? Unfortunately, she doesn't make those anymore. Speech therapy supervised grad student. Okay, so this is me jumping back into my planner. I think this is towards the end of the week. I have a new manicure. See, I think it was Sunday afternoon. So on Monday, I just marked that I took work home after dinner, and I was up pretty late doing work after hours. Not something that I recommend, but when you have to get it done, you just have to get it done. So I needed to read the book club book for the week because I wanted to make sure that I was able to go in February. I took more progress reports home on Tuesday night. I got the mail, I did session notes, I did session prep, because at this point my student is not doing that prep yet. I didn't realize that those were two separate chains, so I was just trying to fill that space with some stuff. There are weeks when I need more room than I have, and then there are other days when I just don't. um, so I'm just marking in session notes, and then I did go to the library after school. That is a pumpkin paper co sticker that I used to mark that my bullet journaling stickers that I ordered in November finally arrived, so I was able to actually update my bullet journal, and that was really fun and exciting for me. So yeah, and I did kind of stick it over too much, but so then moving on to Thursday, I Thursday was kind of a crazy day. I knew I had another doctor's appointment on Friday, which was also my, I said it was payday, but I think I must have been paid on Wednesday and just didn't know it. Because we don't do paydays in the first week of the month. I'm watching this new show called Vincenzo. It's a K drama about the mafia. Um, but he's a Korean man who speaks fluent Italian and Korean, and it's really good. It's on Netflix. Highly recommend. I'm new to K dramas, so this is really fun to watch with my friend. So she recommended that we watch it in Korean with English subtitles so that we can get the inflections of the Korean correctly because the dubbed voices
it kind of takes the intonation pattern out, and that is a huge part of the comedic timing. So, me being the linguist that I am, I was like, well, I don't want to sacrifice that, so let's get that going. There were a lot of flags that I could use this week, which was kind of fun. So I really loved being able to use all those different flags and fill up that space. So Friday was Groundhog Day, which he did not see his shadow, so that means that we have an early spring, which is very exciting. I had an early morning doctor's appointment. I had a sort of reunion with the EC department of my old school that I worked at last year, and that was really fun because we went to a brewery that I'd never been to before. I wasn't drinking, but they had this really great non-alcoholic Pilsner that I highly recommend. It was called Legion Brewing. You should check them out. They were delicious. And they have a few locations around Charlotte. I did do my session notes, I did do progress reports, I did organize my desk, and I did watch my show. On Thursday, the litter genie that we have to clean the litter box broke, and it was like such a mess. I had a lot going on that day. I did a Target run, and I did a Zoom with my mom and her friend, so it was like a lot. On Friday, I had to do more progress reports, but I went to this new coffee shop in my area, and that was really fun to try just a new place. I intended to watch some SLP CEUs from SLP Summit, but that didn't really happen. We got Indian food for takeout, so I used a squidge from Stick with the Plan Co. And then I used it Once More with Love to show our movie night, and we ended up watching a movie called Airheads, which I'd never seen, but was surprisingly well cast. So my husband picked this week. For breakfast, we've been doing avocado toast on Saturday mornings, like true millennials, and it's been really fun. I cleaned my kitchen and I posted a little sticker of Stick with the Plan Co. that was just like, my husband works too hard on the weekends. So on Sunday, I made an effort to just enjoy breakfast, play with our cats. That's another Stick with the Plan Co. And then I was working on progress reports the whole time. It was just a working weekend for both of us, and I had every intention of printing stickers and editing and uploading this week, and it just didn't happen. The progress reports thing kind of took over, and my printer was acting up. And so when your printer acts up, you can't really make it work. My goal was to edit and upload videos, but I wasn't able to finish this one. So clearly I'm still catching up, but overall this was a really good week and very productive, very busy, and I'm glad I got to put all of it down.
Okay, so this is the final spread. I think it came out super cute. I love the rose gold. I love the muted colors. I just think it's gorgeous and quite fitting for this week, actually. Yes, I did paint my nails rose gold to match. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I am going to come back next week with a brand new plan with me, so stick around. Bye.